Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home and your online classes are going well. So, here's the next lesson, The Rat Trap Class Plus 2 Flamingo Book, and this lesson is by Selma Lagerlof. Let's know about the author first. Selma Lagerlöf, 1858 to 1940, and she was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages, and all the stories are based on one theme only, and the theme is the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Means the transformation of person from weak to great soul that is possible, but with love and understanding only. So if we will just in very simple way we will talk about that, like generally we discuss in the classes also, we all are human and we all have same kind of emotions, and but there's a difference of a liking and interest only, as everyone consists goodness as well as weakness. So it depends upon us what kind of emotions we sport. If we sport angel inside, obviously we'll get good ideas, and if we would be the assistant of devil, so you can imagine the consequences also. So, what's a need? There's a need to sport the good thoughts only. There's a need to just go against the weakness. Fine. There's a need to raise the voice against the evil thoughts. Fine. So that we can sport to the angel inside. Fine. अगर हमने मीन्स अच्छा मीन्स एंजल को सपोर्ट करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल गेट द गुड आइडियाज इन रिटर्न. Fine. So this lesson like is based on the same thought. So let's proceed to the lesson. You'll get four persons over there, four characters in this lesson. The very first is Rat Trap Paddler. This is a protagonist of the lesson, main character, and then Crofter, and then Iron Master and his daughter Adla. So this lesson starts like a fairy tale, and this lesson starts with a paddler. Paddler was a vagabond and who sells rat traps with a little thievery on the side to make both ends meet, and had no worldly possessions to call his own, not even a name. So the paddler, he is alone. He doesn't have any home. He doesn't have good clothing. He doesn't have any vehicle or any facility. Even he doesn't have his own name. And how he just his income is very low. He like manages his livelihood by selling the rat traps and thievery, because to arrange the two times meal by selling the rat traps he is not getting enough money, so that's why he just goes with the thievery to get two times meal. It amused him to think of the world as a rat trap and all the material possessions as bait as the world, as he is alone. And he develops like number of thoughts in his mind. And one of these thoughts is of supposing the whole world as a big rat trap, and all the facilities given to the humans, that is as bait. Means bait refer here to the facilities given to the human. Facility means like shelter, एक अच्छा घर, food, heat, clothing, riches means all the luxurious. So bait refer to the facilities given to human. And he prided himself in fact that he was out of it. How he is out of it, because he doesn't have any home, he doesn't have any good clothing to get trapped in this rat trap. इस rat trap में फंसने के लिए उसके पास कोई बेट नहीं है, ना तो घर, ना अच्छी क्लोथिंग, ना अच्छा खाना, nothing. So every night the paddler has to search for shelter as he has no home. So one evening he takes shelter at Crofter's cottage, and the Crofter welcomed him and gave him dinner, shared his pipe, played majolis. Majolis, this is a card game. With him also confided in him about his income, and even he disclosed his income source and income and showed him where he put it. Fine. So crofter if we will talk about in our language, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना मामले पे खेती करने वाला person, that's crofter. Fine. So he disclosed all the like things. He shared all the things with that rat trap paddler. Next morning, the paddler steals the money and takes the back roads to keep away from people and gets lost in the jungle at night. While he wanders in the forest, he realizes that he has also got caught in the rat trap and that the money was a bait. So as he develops one thought in his mind and he considers the whole world is as a rat trap. So now the first time he is considering himself in that rat trap. How? Because due to money he has to run away. He has to hide himself. So here he considers himself to get trapped in that rat trap. उसे ऐसे लग रहा था कि पहली बार वो खुद उस rat trap में आके फंस गया है. And the reason to get trapped in that rat trap, that is money. Crofter's money. So finally he reaches Ramstow Ironworks where he takes shelter for the night. The blacksmith and his assistant ignore him, but the master mistakes him to be an old acquaintance and invites him home. Though the paddler doesn't correct the iron master, hoping to get some money out of him, he declines his invitations. The iron master then sends his daughter named Adla, who persuade means convince, who persuade him to go home with her. She noticed, as dear, I want to make one more point of, I want to make clear one point of Adla. Like, she means she's fine observer of people. She's very practical. So here she also notices his uncouth means shabby appearance, and thinks that either he has stolen something or he has escaped from jail. You can compare the observation of Adla and her father. Her father mistook, and he mistook this like that person is his old friend. Fine. But Adla, with the first sight, she recognizes that he has stolen something or he has escaped from jail. So in this way we can say she is fine observer of people. And being a perfect host, she takes every care to make her guests feel comfortable at home. The peddler is scrubbed, bathed, given a haircut, a shave, a suit of old clothes of iron master. In the morning light, the iron master realizes he is mistaken and that he is not the captain. He wants to call the sheriff. Sheriff means police. The peddler is agitated and breaks. Agitated, got upset. He got upset and breaks out that the world is rat trap and he too is sure to be caught in it. By listening, the iron master is amused, but he orders him out. The compassionate Adla, she tries to convince her father that he should allow that rat trap paddler to spend that Christmas day with him. The peddler spends the whole of Christmas Eve eating and sleeping. The next day at church, Adela and her father come to know that the peddler is a thief who stole 30 kroner from the poor crofter. They rush back home, fearing a theft at their place also, but back home they found a letter addressed to Adela, signed as Captain Von Stahl, and a rat trap as a gift from the crofter. In the rat trap were the three 10 kroner notes of the crofter. He finally thanks her, saving him from falling into the world's rat trap. So it is, thus the love and understanding brings out a basic human goodness in the parlor. So see, this is all about the lesson. This is a summary of the lesson, and my dear, you have to go through this lesson. Really, this is very interesting and message conveying a lesson. I hope you will enjoy uh, the reading of this lesson. So this is all about the goodness. Fine, means transformation of a person that is possible, but with the love and affection. So I want to share my thought with you people also. So यूं तो पत्थर की भी तकदीर बदल सकती है, कहते हैं ना कि यूं तो पत्थर की भी तकदीर बदल सकती है, बशर्ते उसे दिल से तराशा जाए. Means same, I'm going to repeat that transformation is possible, but with love and understanding. Thank you and have a great day ahead.